the best way that I feel like I can give back to my community or help other people through boxing, because that's something that I know. I've been involved with boxing since I was like 8 years old. And I've had multiple national champions come through the gym. I've had fighters compete in the Olympic trials, Golden Glove Nationals, Golden Glove National Champions. I mean, it's kind of cool to take some of these kids and they get a chance to travel across country to compete. Being chosen by the Progress Project is great. I'm glad that we were even considered for it, and it could help me out with a lot of stuff that I need to do around here. Some of the upgrades and repairs we made were floors, mats, new heavy bags, new speed bag racks. We did some repairs to the ring as well, tighten that up. As soon as you walk in, it looks a lot fresher. I think they're gonna like that. I'd like to thank Hyundai and the Progress Project for the funds, because we really did need these things. People here in this community, they're gonna love it when they step in here to see the gym and see the improvements.